In today's video, I am going to teach you how to edit GoDaddy website after publishing. To begin, open your web browser and go to godaddy.com. Once the site loads, sign in to your GoDaddy account. After you are logged in, look to the top right corner of the screen and click your account name. This will open a menu with account options. From that menu, select My Products. This area is where GoDaddy keeps all of the products and services connected to your account, so it is the main place you will go when you want to manage an existing website. After you arrive on the My Products page, scroll down until you see the Websites plus Marketing section. In this section, you will find the website that is already live and published. Next to that website, click the Manage button. This takes you into the main control area for that specific site. If you have more than one website in your account, take a moment to make sure you are choosing the correct one before moving forward. That can help you avoid making changes to the wrong site. Once you are inside the main backend overview dashboard for your website, look toward the upper right area of the screen. You should see a blue button labeled Edit Website, or in some cases, Edit Site. Click that button to open your website editor. This editor is your visual workspace, which means you can make updates directly to the live site design and content from one central place. It is where you can work on the layout, text, images, and other parts of the website after it has already been published. The important thing to remember is that publishing a site does not lock it. You can still return to the editor at any time through your account and continue updating it as needed. As you enter the visual workspace, you are now in the correct place to begin editing your website. This is the same area you would use whenever you want to refresh content, adjust sections, or make general updates to keep your site current. So the full process is simple. Go to GoDaddy, sign in, open My Products, locate your website under Websites plus Marketing, click Manage, and then choose Edit Website or Edit Site from the dashboard. That covers everything you need to know.